When he arrived at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport from Qatar, Senator Antonio Trillanes IV was not arrested. With his lawyer Reynaldo Robles, Trillanes posted a 10,000 peso bail bond before the Quezon City Metropolitan Trial Court. Trillanes and 10 others are charged for conspiracy to commit sedition. The case is about the viral video series Ang Totoong Narco List featuring Bicoy, who accused President Duterte's family members as being involved in the illegal drug trade.
So, ngayon, ito na ang base sa huling bilang namin, ika-19 na kaso na kinakaharap ko dito sa Duterte administration. Kasama na rito yung mga ni-revive nila simula nun sa mga nakaraang administration. Pero hindi po tayo natitinag.
Trillanes said he returned to the country because he is not afraid.
Pero sana lang, itong mga gumagawa nitong mga kasong ito ngayon, itong mga nangaapi, sana, huwag rin kayo matakot balang araw, ha? Kasi talagang hindi ko rin kayo titigilan.